Guys, what is up? Long time no see slash chat. I'm so excited to be filming a sit down video right here right now. Not to blabber too much because I have a lot of things to go through. Today we are going to be talking about everyone's favorite topic, which is Christmas. I absolutely love filming this video because it's kind of like mentally it is the beginning of holiday season for me. Today we will be talking about Christmas gift ideas. This goes either for giving or for receiving, so take it as you will. And today I have I said 150, but the way I work, I write everything out, so I actually have 163 ideas ranging in price, ranging in like a lot of things, you know. A lot of these are really specific, some of them are random. I'll share this doc with you guys too because, you know, plug. Let's get started because there's a lot to go through. So first off, that IKEA tote bag, hopefully you know what I'm talking about. I saw it on TikTok a while ago. I tried to buy it, could not find it. But if this person goes to like, I don't know, any type of school, actually if they do anything, I think this tote bag would be great for them because it had so many pockets. Like, I know if I got that, and I definitely don't need more tote bags, I would use it. Next, fruit hammock. Okay, I mean, I don't know, I would love a fruit hammock, but basically it's just like, you know how they have different like fruit organizer things? Maybe this is just me because I like kitchens and I like fruit, but I think it's so cute and I think it'd be fun, especially if they just moved into an apartment or something. Reusable, in parentheses, disposable camera. You know, those are always fun. Also, the reusable ones are great. You can get like really cute ones too. Reusable grocery bags also are a great gift idea. You could do just like the Trader Joe's ones and like fill them with snacks, or you could do those like cute crochet ones. I use those. They look great at farmers markets. Those fake easy slides, I see them on Amazon. I heard they're super comfy. YouTube/celebrity merch, if you know that they really like a certain celebrity or YouTuber. Puffer phone case. I'm kind of torn if I like this or not, but I think it's fun. And I think some of the best gift ideas or gifts are things you wouldn't buy for yourself because there are things you like don't know how much you love until you have it, but you wouldn't like spend the money for yourself. Squishmallows or pillow pets. I have a ton of friends who love Squishmallows. I think they're very fun. Funky candles. I mean those ones that are like weird shapes. Like they have those little ball ones. They have the little like, the swirly ones that were trendy for a while. I said a decorative tray, and I was kind of thinking like those accessories trays that are like really cute room decor. You know, they're pretty useful too if you just want to like organize stuff on it. Also, a beauty fridge. I like wouldn't buy that for myself, but I would definitely use one of those. Birkenstock clogs. I'll put a picture. I don't know how to describe them, but they look so comfy. Popstick noodle bowl. I have this. I miss that thing. It made food taste better. Matching hoodies. Say it's a good friend. Maybe you have similar style. Tivas or Chacos. You could get them Gymshark clothes if they've been really into working out, grinding at the gym. Also, Christmas is the perfect segue into the new year, which is when everyone wants to be on their best, you know, like A game, which like top of the list is usually gymming really hard. So on that note, huge thank you to Gymshark for sponsoring this video. We have Black Friday right around the corner, so if you want to buy Christmas gifts for people, Gymshark has an amazing deal coming out. You can also get some things for yourself too because the deals are going crazy. So the sale starts this Thursday, November 18th at 11 p.m. Pacific time, and you can get up to 70% off some select items. So I'm going to show you some of the items that I picked up that I really recommend to you guys. First off, these shorts are like my favorite. They're very, very thin and light, which I think is perfect for workout shorts. They also have like a really thick band. I am a huge fan of their leggings. These ones are like a subtle camo print. I really like these ones. They're super thick, so you don't have to worry about like showing whatever. It also has like a little booty strap. Pretty cute. Some plain black ones. These are always good to have. I also got these ones, which are so cool. They're like ombre and this really pretty purple color. These are a different material. They're kind of this like bone gray shade, and they have like a cool seamless cutoff to them, which I think is pretty neat. To some of the tops, I just got two of their like long sleeve crop tops, which are some of my favorite. This one is just gray, and then this one is green. I love these, mostly for the gym, and they have the little sleeve holes, which everyone loves. I love. And then I got one sports bra. I love their sports bras. This one's very simple, but it also has like a little bit of detail on the back, which I think is very, very cute, and I love the color. Make sure to check them out for their Black Friday sale, and I'll have more information down below. Continuing on with the list, I said a microphone. You could do like one of the wireless ones. You could also do the little ones that attach to your phone if they like film audio audio recordings or something. I don't know. Aviator Nation stuff. This was not big in Washington where I'm from, but I see a lot of it here. Those color changing lamps. I'm referring to Urban Outfitters has them where you just like tap them and like change colors. They're really cute. You could also do like the friendship lamps, you know, where you like tap it and then like the other person's will turn on if you guys maybe like separated for college or something. Like that's always fun, right? I said an initial necklace. I see these everywhere. A giant cardboard cutout. Yeah, you could definitely do that. These are actually really expensive and I never knew that, but I actually would not be upset if I received a giant cardboard cutout of Taylor Swift. So Aritzia Basics, because these things, you know, they get a little pricey. Trucker hats, they've been a go-to recently. Oh, okay, Supergas. I was reading it super gas and I was like, gas? Supergas, I have a pair I wear all the time. They're still not broken in. Don't know how to break them in, but they look cute. Dickies, you could get them some overalls, some jeans, perfume testers, or just like your favorite perfume, like a sampler size or a rollerball. Cereal candle. Hopefully you know what I'm talking about, or else it sounds a little weird. I just decided to casually throw in the 1 terabyte iPhone, but I also said LOL after that, so I guess that like tones it down a bit. Lightning or iPad chargers. This is like a go-to actually. It's very, very helpful. Air tags. I don't know if that's even what it's called. You know those new like Apple ones so you don't like lose all your stuff? Steering wheel cover. They have a bunch of cute ones on Amazon. I also said to go along with this, seat covers. I got mine from Costco. They're cute and Hawaiian, except they like always fall off my seat. Super annoying, but still they like look cute. A composition notebook iPad case. I have this also. I think it's a fun recommendation. It's adorable. Lots of compliments on it. Coasters. I was just thinking like semi-necessary things that you wouldn't buy for yourself. I think coasters are also like really fun. I said celebrity signed video thing. You know those things you could like pay a celebrity, say happy birthday to you or Merry Christmas, like that, or like a signed album or something. Like that's kind of cool, right? Grande lash. Okay, low-key, I know so many girls who want to try lash serums and stuff, but like that stuff be expensive, so if you like buy it for them, you know, you might change their life. Lap desk. Those ones that you could use on your bed, you can study and stuff. So helpful. Lava lamp. Low-key, I really want one of these just because I think it's fun. Fleece zip-ups. I feel like these, okay, not Sherpas, but like these specific fleece zip-ups have been really popular and they're very adorable. Car coasters, like inside your cup holders. It's another one of those like practical things that you probably wouldn't think about for yourself. Chamberlain coffee. Spotify Premium for Apple Music users specifically. Dunks or blazers or Converse lugged high tops. Those are just like 3 shoes that I feel like a lot of people would like. You can't really go wrong unless they don't like sneakers, then maybe you'd go wrong. Wildflower phone cases. Glossier, they have a lot of like starter packs. I feel like whether you're really into makeup or you don't wear it at all, Glossier is like a really good intro to it. I said kombucha or coffee or drinks because that stuff actually adds up a lot and I feel like you can never go wrong with it. Like they'll drink it eventually, hopefully. Cute keyboard. I'm thinking about those ones you like hook it up to your desktop and it's like green and it has like the little, I'll put a picture. Docks. You must really like someone if you're buying them docks, but I mean I put it on there. Urban earrings or like just jewelry in general. I feel like it makes really good gifts for people because it's like pretty like trendy in general. Heated mug. Either an insulated one or those ones on like a heater pad that keeps it like the perfect temperature. Insulated bottle. I have like this really good, it's like a tumbler from Target. Love that thing. Wow, I did a lot of repeats. Good thing I did 163. I said childhood snack starter pack. That's just because like, or I feel like people get really excited to try different cultural foods. Very fun. So like if you give them some of your favorites. Earring sets. If they have a lot of piercings, like me, I have like 12 or something. 10, 11, yeah, 12. If you got them like a whole, because it's kind of like custom, it's like adding your little touch of influence. If you Etsy jewelry, they have so many good like custom ones, or birthstone jewelry, or like hand wrapped things. Juicer. Stationery. Cool room lights. I don't know, maybe I was thinking like there's different string lights, like they have different shapes. A salt lamp. That baby mini camcorder. Oh, do you guys remember when that was popular? It was like that little tiny thing that like takes really bad photos, but you know how like our generation loves taking bad photos. Fun room mirror. Okay, by this I just mean like I feel like you can find a lot of small mirrors that add a lot to your room, like this one, but like if you got a smaller one. Vanity lights. One of those little makeup mirrors. I feel like that's very practical. It's also like room decor-ish. A ring pack. That's another like little custom thing. You could even like thrift them jewelry or like vintage shop them some jewelry that you handpicked. That's like cute. But you know, if you don't want to do that, you could also get them Pandora rings, because those are, you know, stable choice. Phone chain, you could make it or buy it. I said chunky jewelry. That's been cool recently. A shaker set. Okay, this might be a personal one, but I think making like drinks and stuff at home is like very fun. So if they're into that or into coffee, yes. A hammock. I really want a hammock. Mini Instax printer, a shower waterproof speaker, light clock thing.
What am I? Oh.
I'll put a picture. New Balance 550s, a yoga mat, you know, if you guys want to do beach yoga together, a car blanket. Maybe not if they live in California, but I know in Washington, car blankets were a necessity. I had like my 3 stable to go blankets. Actually, here I have like car towels for the beach and stuff. So that too. Matisse posters or just like any room poster. That blow up chair thing. I think this was kind of like more relevant a little while ago, but honestly, I would definitely use it. Records. Also, that CD player, wall CD player. My friend has one. It looks really cute. Contour eye mask.
Oh.
I have one of those. I preach about it all the time. It's like the best investment ever because it like doesn't ruin your lashes. Ranch or Sriracha keychain. It's a good one, I'm telling you. Roller skates. You could get them a Carver like skateboard. The New York Times tote bag and subscription. This one's diverse. I could get this for my dad. He would love it. I could also get it for my friend. They would love it. Antimicrobial tool. I don't know what I was thinking. That extra Locke thing. Oh, I think I was like getting on a little like safety hunch, you know, pepper spray, taser, and there's like these special locks. So if your friend travels a lot, you want to be considerate of safety, of course. There's like special locks that you can add on for extra safety in like hotel rooms and stuff. Wow, I put large cardboard cutout on here twice. I think that's a sign. I also said gag tapestry, like I used to have a Gibby tapestry, lots of good memories with that. Weighted cooling blanket or like a heated blanket, depending on the person, of course. You could get them a book. You could also annotate the book for them or like bookmark special parts. I recommend any Colleen Hoover book. I feel like that's a safe bet. Or just like give them your favorite book. Gag parody books. Okay, I've seen ones where it'll be like a classic book, but they like change every something. Like they add a random word in every once in a while. SodaStream, Broyana. Okay, I got one of those machines and I'm gonna be honest, I never used it, but like it's still a fun concept, okay? A bullet blender or a mini rice cooker. We're not really strangers. This was relevant like last year, but I feel like it's still relevant. A mini oven, fuzzy slippers, always fun. A milk frother, Trader Joe's bags and favorites. You could fill it with your favorite like foods and snacks and necessities. A hand, like jewelry holder hand, not like a literal hand. I think they're called Ugg Fluffyas. That might just like not be the name at all, but if it's not, I'll put a picture. Uniqlo puffers. I feel like they're pretty affordable and very sturdy, like good warm jacket. Thermos. This might be a weird gift to some people, but I actually think I would love getting a thermos because like it's very practical, okay? Like the Hydro Flask has like this cool bowl one. Zodiac books. It's like a fun, even if they don't believe in like horoscope zodiac stuff, it's still fun. Label maker for my organization people out there. Press-on nails. I've been a big advocate of these for like a long time, and I think I'm gonna start giving them to people so that they realize how cool they are. Claw clips, like big ones, mini ones. Also like a fabulous stocking stuffer or like little add-on. A gua sha or like a jade roller if they're into skincare. Organization, like literally just go to the Container Store and just get them random containers, like if they need it or they don't. A gel nail kit, or if they're into acrylics, you could like get them started on their acrylic career. 5-minute devotional or journals, like those ones give you prompts. A mini purse. I feel like this is very safe, general. A matcha set with the little like bamboo stirrer thing. Mini espresso machine. I actually really want one of these for myself, but I'm kind of scared. The Dyson hairdryer. I also want this. I think that's the part of the list we're on, but like it's like a curler, but like dries your hair at the same time. Fancy earrings. I think I meant like statement ones. I think you can find a lot on like Etsy. Hair scarf, so fun. Maybe get them like a big bandana one, because then you can wear it as a top too. A belt, they're so universal. I said safety thing, parentheses jewelry. By this, I mean like those ones that are like alarms when you tug on them. The safety mindset. A puffer vest, you could get this from Uniqlo. High-end makeup. This is pretty big, but if your friend has a makeup routine and they wear certain expensive makeup, you could just like get it for them because you know they'll use it in the future maker. It's just like a practical way of thinking, you know? Ice cream maker, a lot less practical but very fun. Unique mugs, I think those like ceramic, like clay, handmade, hand painted ones, so fun. Reusable straw, glass ones too. Kitchenware, bakingware, always helpful. Board games or card games, specifically like ones you like, obviously. Sweat sets, either shorts and like bras, tank tops, or just like matching hoodie joggers. Utensils, I know this sounds weird, but like I am a utensil fiend. Like I love getting fun new utensils. I said fancy skincare. This is also kind of like the same concept as like makeup, but if they don't want to splurge on it themselves, it's definitely something they'll end up using. I also said jewelry sets, like matching like three-way. I think it's fun. Or if you got them like a different piece each year, you're set for the next like 3 years. Ankle weights, jump ropes, or like booty bands if they're really into gymming. Also a bagel slicer. This is kind of random, but I just thought it was fun. Sunscreen, okay, I guess. And then some other things that are a little more like arbitrary. I was saying like bigger concepts you could do. I said a coffee subscription. Oh, okay. I know mainly in New York, I don't know if they have this around me, but there's like places where you could pay for coffee like monthly and then go to the store and you just get as many as you want. I think Panera might do it. I don't know. I saw in some like New York vlog. You could get them a train or plane ticket. Procreate, check. Airbnb, yeah. A class. By this I meant like a yoga class, a surfing class, painting class, something you guys could do together. Picnic setup. By this I mean there were like little startups where they would make you like a cute little picnic date. Like, I don't know, that'd be fun. You could have a little photo shoot too. Okay, this one's actually really good. I think this is my Christmas gift to myself, maybe. iCloud storage or like Google photo storage. Concert tickets, food subscriptions, like what's that one called, like Green Chef or something, I don't remember. Spotify Premium, I added this again for emphasis. Beauty subscriptions, like I don't remember what any of them are called, but I used to be very into them. I really put
stocks.
But I mean, honestly, I have friends who would love to receive stock. Workout classes. Arcade. Okay, this one's a little specific to my friends too, but I have friends who like love going to the arcade. So, museum or art exhibit tickets. I was kind of thinking specifically about like the Van Gogh exhibit is coming up, at least where I live, and I'm going there, and I think that'd be a very fun event to go to. So this is like SeatGeek or LastPass. Say you don't have a concert or an event or a workout class or something like in mind specifically. It's like giving them a gift card, but for like that specifically. And then the last two hold very near and dear to my heart, and that is tattoos and piercings, because that's like a bonding experience. You could spot them on like a cool tattoo, matching tattoos even. I don't know if you guys believe in that. Earrings, like piercings. It's like an event and you get a lasting memory. But anyways, that was pretty much it for my video. That was my 100 something, I don't even know how many, because a lot of them I honestly like repeated. So anyways, I will link my Google Doc with all my fabulous ideas for you guys below. Hopefully it was helpful and gave you guys some new ideas. Other than that, make sure to stay tuned for more college videos, Christmas videos, and let me know what else you want to see down below. Thank you once again to Gymshark for sponsoring this video, and make sure to check them out for their Black Friday sale coming up. The links and info down below. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!
I know you wanna leave, so come on, baby, be with me so happily.